in New York, thinking like I really needed to do deals in New York. They had to be in my backyard. I had to see everything. And then I remember after like 6, 7, 8, 9 months of just saying like, I got to get a deal here. I got to get a deal here. I got to get a deal here, thinking I just need a paycheck. Like I just need money. And I was almost forced to start to invest in these other markets where, starting with like no money, no experience or anything, my risk tolerance was, well, there's less risk if I buy a very cheap property. So it felt less risky to me buying a $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 home in Georgia or Vegas or Michigan or one of these other markets than New York. And then I realized that at the end of the day, a deal is just a deal. So I started going into all these other markets, and I like that because I almost think of them as like ponds, where if I never learned that skill to start investing in different markets, I wouldn't have been able to look at other opportunities. And when you can see ponds of real estate all over the country, regardless of what happens in your market, interest rates go up, interest rates go down, competition's good, market's bad, there's always a yin and a yang. There's always a place people are leaving, people are going. So you always have deals. You always have fish to eat in those ponds. So